The Ethics of Unity and the Unity Offering, a teaching by Oscar Ichazo. The Ethics of Unity. The ethics of unity manifests as an ethical force, which, like any other complete process, has a series of 9 points that show a complete cycle, as shown in the Enneagram of the Ethics of Unity. Seen as a whole, the Enneagram of the Ethics of Unity shows the complete cycle of the ethical force that, when aligned with a unified purpose, gives us the direction to face any problems together, especially those of the planet. This higher united perspective provides an understanding for experiencing that we are one as an affirmation of our unity, for the benefit of our life, our work, and for the planet. This Enneagram of 9 different points belongs to the Ethics of Unity teachings. It has the power and clarity of unity that may be implemented, collected, improved, and realized point by point in us when we embody these aspects as ethical knowledge. This is to say that the points of the Ethics of Unity shown in the Enneagram make available to us an actual energy working throughout our lives, guiding us in the right direction and reflecting a higher ethical behavior. The teachings Oscar proposed are developed upon and reflected in the Ethics of Unity as a code of behavior to have the correct attitude or basic intention toward any process. Because of their objective input into our everyday life, the Ethics of Unity act as an antidote to, or a force, to counteract the lower behavioral presentations of the immoral force. The 9 points of the immoral force are demonstrated in our life to one degree or another, and to pretend the immoral force does not exist is denying the reality of human behavior. No one is special when it comes to behavior. We're all human with higher and lower aspects of behavioral patterns. But it is the orientation toward unity that gives us the opportunity to embody knowledge from the point of view of an ethical understanding, allowing us to go beyond our lower behavioral patterns into the state of unity. The Unity Offering.
The Unity Offering can be practiced every day to orient us toward the ethics of unity. It is an offering that takes less than 5 minutes to do, so it is easy to practice on a daily basis. Please refer to the Earth illustration on the screen. Close your eyes, inhale slowly, and exhale slowly as you feel relaxed and your heart and mind become calm. Inhale slowly and exhale slowly as you feel relaxed and your heart and mind become calm. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Open your eyes and focus on the Earth at the center of the slide, and feel your connection to the Earth and all humanity in your heart as we repeat aloud 12 times, "We are one."
We are one. 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 We are one.
Refer to the slides as you repeat the following aloud with me once. I offer this practice for the benefit of all and the realization of the state of unity. I offer my self-responsibility for the benefit of all humanity and the realization of the state of unity. I offer my commitment for the benefit of all humanity and the realization of the state of unity. I offer my integrity for the benefit of all humanity and the realization of the state of unity. I offer my brotherhood for the benefit of all humanity and the realization of the state of unity. I offer my dedication for the benefit of all humanity and the realization of the state of unity. I offer my acceptance for the benefit of all humanity and the realization of the state of unity. I offer my perseverance for the benefit of all humanity and the realization of the state of unity. I offer my loyalty for the benefit of all humanity and the realization of the state of unity. I offer my unity for the benefit of all humanity and the realization of the state of unity. Close your eyes, filling your heart and mind with the calm and focused ethics of unity for the benefit of all. Please open your eyes.
We suggest that you practice the unity offering on an ongoing basis to orient you towards the ethics of unity. It takes less than 5 minutes, so it is easy to practice daily. It is important to find a place to sit quietly, making the offering from your heart to all humanity. You can repeat the offering as often as you choose. These are 2 books by Oscar Ichazo that show the application of the ethics of unity and the unity offering as an essential part of these teachings. Please go to Amazon.com and search for books by Oscar Ichazo. Please like Oscar Ichazo online and subscribe by clicking on Oscar's photo in the upper right of your screen.